In 2025, the tech industry entered a full-blown crisis. Over 100,000 jobs have been cut, with major players like Intel, Microsoft, Meta, and Amazon leading the wave. So far this year, 131,800 tech workers have lost their jobs across more than 440 layoff events, an average of 600+ people let go every single day. Intel alone cut over 12,000 jobs, continuing a 15 to 20% workforce reduction in AI-related restructuring. Microsoft's third round of layoffs eliminated about 9,000 roles, including in Xbox and cloud, as it shifts billions into AI infrastructure. Meta laid off roughly 8,000 employees this year, despite investing heavily in AI startups like Scale AI. Amazon is transitioning toward AI-driven operations in both corporate and warehouse roles, announcing further workforce reductions ahead. Other names like Scale AI, Atlassian, Lenovo, CrowdStrike, and Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, have also executed major cuts, citing economic uncertainties and efficiency drives. What's behind this tsunami of layoffs? Massive AI adoption. Generative AI now writes up to 25% of enterprise code at companies like Microsoft and Amazon. AI has taken over tasks from coding to analytics and administrative roles. Overstaffing post-pandemic. The boom hiring of 2021 to 22 left many tech firms with bloated teams. As demand normalized, firms slashed workforce to optimize margins. Investor and cost pressures. Leadership sees layoffs as a quick path to improving revenue per employee and freeing up capital for AI infrastructure and innovation. Economic headwinds. Trade tensions, high interest rates, and uncertain demand have accelerated cutbacks across projects and teams globally. The human toll is profound. Tens of thousands face uncertainty. Entry-level roles are disappearing fastest. Yet veteran professionals like Mark Krieger remain optimistic, believing that experience, adaptability, and deep know-how still matter in an AI-dominated world. We're witnessing a radical transformation, technology firms embracing AI to cut costs and drive productivity. For workers and the ecosystem alike, adaptation, reskilling, and human creativity are essential. Stay informed. Stay prepared. Stay human.